Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw on a topic on Ganpati. Okay, Lord Ganesha. So see, just I will draw a straight line from here, the easiest Ganpati ever. Okay, so from here I'm going to draw the see curve line like this from here, then another curve line like this from here, draw the circle, draw the shape like this. Okay, till here it's easy. Then I will draw one circle, then two shape like this. See, line, curve line, curve line, then join it like this. Okay, very simple. So now over here I'm going to draw the stomach portion. Okay, just from here going to draw the shape like this. Okay, same way like this we have done. Now from here I'm going to draw the shape like this, curve, curve. From here shape like this, curve, curve. Okay, it's very simple. Now over here I'm going to draw the U shape. Okay, U shape. Now what you have to do, just from here I'm going to draw the line like this. Okay, now from here first I will draw the small finger, then the next the long, and wait, I'll start it from here. Wait, start always from this one. Okay, so that it will be easy for you. See, 1 2 3 and 4. Now got it? Easy way to draw the hand. Okay, draw one curve line from here, one curve line from here, and a line from here. Now got it? Very easy. That hand lines we have done, palm lines, right? We'll draw the line from here, this, here one. Here I will draw the bowl shape. Okay, and erase it from here. Okay, then the laddu. Over here I will draw the finger, 1 2 3 4. Got it? It's very simple. Now I will join this over here, then draw the shape like this. We'll draw the shape like this. Okay, and now over here I'm going to draw the two line, join it, two line, right. Okay, very simple way. Okay, simple way to draw the Ganpati. Now over here I'm going to increase this line, and from here two line like this, again from here two line like this, then I will join this. Okay, now we are going to start coloring. Okay, now we are going to start coloring. It's very easy. So first color I'm going to take the cremine. Okay, cremine or maroon, whatever you want you can use, but I will use the cremine color. So I got the cremine, and before doing that, just make it light so that it don't become the black. So I just will do the cremine over here. Okay, it's a cremine color. Just make it portion lighter. Okay, the cremine over here I have done. Okay, and now over here also you have to do it. Little bit over here, some cremine color. Okay, I just done the cremine color. Now I'm going to use the orange color. Over here in a round shape, some lines over here, over here, okay, like that, just like shading we have to do. Now I'm going to take the primary red. Okay, I'm going to take the primary red and I will blend the cremine over here like this. Okay, now after this just I will take the scarlet. Okay, scarlet, I will do it over here half, scarlet over here half, also over here half. As a primary red over here also in the stomach portion. And blend it properly. Okay, then the scarlet. So I'm not leaving any white dot, so try to do it properly. Okay, now I'm going to use the orange color. Okay, orange. Okay, properly this one also. First I will make it lighter. Orange, I'm doing orange color. Okay, orange, and over here also I'm going to do the orange color. Okay, and now I'm going to take the deep yellow. Okay, I'm going to take the deep yellow. With the deep yellow now I will blend this one also like this. Now I will take the medium yellow. Achha, here also I will do the orange color, and but be careful while you are doing the orange color. Just be careful, don't do inside that finger. Okay. Okay, now what you have to do, see, from here I'm going to take the black color. Okay, black color, do the black lining like this, and over here also I will do it. See, and now I will take the Persian blue color. Okay, Persian blue color, will blend it. Okay, I will blend the black with the Persian blue color. In Persian blue color. Now after Persian blue I'm going to take the brilliant blue color. Okay, I'm going to take the brilliant blue. After Persian blue it's just brilliant blue color. Then the light blue. Now what you have to do now, after light blue I will blend the whole thing with white, but before white na doing, just check it's clean or not, then start doing. Blend it properly with the white. Okay, now just do the medium yellow over here and over here the medium yellow, then the primary red color over here. I'm going to do it, primary red, and now with the primary red I'm just going to do the border over here. Okay, just like in border, then I'm going to fill it fully with the deep yellow. Okay, over here also, 1 2 3 4 fingers. Now over here I'm going to do the black color. Black color. Okay, black. Now I will blend it with the like Persian green. Okay, Persian green or deep green, anyone. I'm using Persian green color. Now I'm going to take the deep green. We blend the Persian green and the black again with that only. Now I'm going to take the yellow green. Okay, I will blend it properly. I will blend it automatically. It will become the leaf green, light green, and yellow green. Okay, directly. So directly we can use the yellow green. Don't leave a small gap also. Okay, try to do it properly. Now I'm going to take the brown color. Okay, brown. And over here medium yellow, deep yellow. Okay, I'm just doing the deep yellow over here. So now I'm going to take the black color. You can take black color or glass marker, whatever you want. Just do the border like this, how I'm doing. Okay, but here to fill it, just I'm doing the black color border type. Okay, try to do with light pressure. Just from here now, just I'm doing the black color. And so after doing this black, now from here also you can do the black color. No, we are not going to do the dies and teeth. It's in canvas drawing. Okay, canvas drawing. Ganpati. Okay, Ganpati drawing. This one is canvas Ganpati drawing. Okay, just I'm doing the black border properly. Acha, from here what we can do, see, draw the circle from here like this. It will become like his ears. Huh? So ear we have made like this, and then over here one teeth. Okay, so your Ganpati drawing is ready. Thank you.